What can this bot do? This is how TeleGiG are great work. They are easy to do and required a little time to finish. There are jobs like take a survey, categorize images, help promote content and many others. Get credited immediately after task is reviewed and don't wait a month or more for a payout. Welcome to TeleGiG Earn, a freelancing, outsourcing and crowdsourcing marketplace. We connect micro-employers with micro-workers over the globe. Our gig system. Earning is simple here. Participate in gigs you like. Follow the instructions and complete the gig. Attach required proofs. After approval from micro-workers, you get your credit. Our referrals system. Earn 2% of what your referral earn for lifetime. Share your referral link and build yourself an income stream. Our withdrawals system. You must have over $0.75 to proceed. Withdrawals are processed in an instant. All withdrawals are automated and via major cryptos. This is the gig. YouTube watch your reward for this gig is $0.02. Workers 11 out of 50 performed it. Instructions. Go to YouTube and search how to exchange any cryptocurrency to another. Now let's go to YouTube and search. The employer said, search and find a video with this thumbnail, then the link was given. Let's open the link and see the video thumbnail. As you can see, this is the thumbnail of the video we're looking for. And this video thumbnail matched. Now we're going to watch this video to the end, since we are asked to watch in the instruction given by the employer. Due to YouTube copyright, we can't watch the video, we just skip it, but you as a worker, you need to watch as you're asked. If the instructions given is matched with the tasks you need to perform, then check the proof required. Here is the proof needed to confirm you watch or not. How many times subscribe button appear in the video? Hit the finish button after done. Then hit the button. I have proof. Now type the answer you were asked and send to the bot. You look into my eyes and fell love feeling. Then nothing got a dream like a same night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. Congratulations. Let's wait for the employer to review your task. Once the employer review, you will be credited or rated not satisfied. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on notifications and share. Thank you.